Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Trek Central app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Trek Central is a cycling companion app designed for Trek bike riders, offering tools, maps, and data to enhance the biking experience. The app provides turn-by-turn navigation, ride tracking, bike health monitoring, and integration with Bontrager devices for real-time performance metrics. It also features route planning, weather alerts, and service reminders, making it a useful hub for both casual riders and serious cyclists. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's sleek interface, accurate navigation, and seamless connection with Trek's smart equipment. The bike health monitoring system is particularly valued for keeping track of service intervals and maintenance needs. Riders also enjoy the ability to plan custom routes and save them for future rides, along with syncing ride data to popular fitness platforms. Still, there are some downsides. The app is most beneficial if you own a compatible Trek bike and Bontrager devices. Without those, many features won't be accessible. Some users have reported occasional GPS inaccuracies or syncing delays, and offline functionality is somewhat limited for remote trails. Additionally, it's not as feature-rich as certain third-party cycling apps when it comes to advanced training analytics. In summary, the Trek Central app may be worth using if you're a Trek bike owner who wants an integrated tool for navigation, ride tracking, and bike maintenance. It excels in device integration, bike health tracking, and route planning. However, if you use non-Trek gear or need more advanced training analytics, you may find better options elsewhere. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.